Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. This is process video 205 entitled Smile You Are Amazing, and this is my third layout featuring the October Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club, specifically working with the American Crafts Amy Tangerine Slice of Life collection plus some items on in the embellishment add-on kit. Now, this is also my take on this month's Freaky Fast Friday challenge, and I absolutely love the measurements that were given for this challenge because it made my layout or my creating pretty easy. So basically what you get for this month's measurements is that you get two of the, I think it's 1 inch, and then 1 inch by 12, and then another one that's 2 by 12, I believe, or 3 by 12, I can't remember. But anyways, so you get 2 of each, so there's 4 strips, and then you get 2 more strips that is, I can't remember what the measurements are. But anyway, so you get 2 more strips. So what I did with mine was I used those 4 pieces that are 12-inch in length, and I use them as borders to go on the top and the bottom, and then those 2 I'm going to add to the center of the layout with and then cutting them as a fishtail banner. So what I love about these papers are they're very, I don't want to say general, but they're, yeah, they don't have a big theme on them, so you can kind of use them with whatever theme that you have, and it works well. So you can use them for every day, or you can use them for other things, but they're not themed heavy. So I did mat my pictures with this paper, and I flipped that. Instead of using the gray for one of the banners, I used the blue side, and then I also added the gray on the back of this Polaroid die cut, and then basically I'm just going to embellish it. So this layout really came pretty fast. I did ink up the edges with some spice marmalade, and then I used some of these die cuts to just dress it up, and basically that is my layout. I did use I believe the Smile, or maybe the You Are Amazing, is from the foam sticker sheet that came with the embellishment add-on kit. And then this camera, I was trying to use it with the strap, but it just didn't work out, so I just cut out the strap and then added that on there. And basically that's my layout. I will be adding a few more things here and there just to kind of see where I need to dress it up, but basically that is how it is. As you can see, the border for my cardstock is still there, and I forgot to cut that, and I'm going to do that right now. And that is my layout. Thank you so much for watching. If you need more information about the Flavors of the Month kit or the ScrapRoom Kit Club, make sure that you check the description below, because it will have some link there as well as for my blog. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below, and I will try to answer it as fast as I can. And if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you guys another day. Bye!